Hi everyone, my name is Tara Hunter and I will be your instructor for this course. This is Health and Sports Science Terminology, HMSE 2000. I wanted to welcome everyone to the class as well as tell you a little bit about me, tell you a little bit about some of the class expectations, and then also show you how to get started through the course and in Mindtap, which is what we'll be using primarily to get you through this course. So a little bit about me. I have my bachelor's and master's degree from the University of Memphis in health promotion. I also have a bachelor's degree from the University of Tennessee Health Science Center in nursing. I'm a new faculty member here as of this semester. I'm very excited to get started teaching with all of you. So I also wanted to go over some expectations in this course. This is an online complete course, and we'll be using Mindtap through Cengage. Mindtap is an online learning tool, and you will be using it to work individually through your assignments. So you will need to be registered through Mindtap and get started in the course. But first, some of my expectations for this course. First things first, email etiquette. You may have to email me throughout the semester. Please use professional etiquette. No, hey, how's it going? What's up? Anything like that in your email. Please be professional when addressing me in your emails. And I will also be professional back and try and get back to you within 24 hours during the weekdays and 48 hours over the weekend. Please email me as soon as you have an issue. The sooner you let me know, the sooner I can help you. So anytime anything happens, let me know. Also, I do not accept late work. I'm going to say that again. I do not accept late assignments. So please do not email me and tell me that you just forgot about an assignment. You will need to complete your assignments in a timely manner. All of the due dates are on your syllabus. So please take a look at that and plan accordingly. You can work at your own pace. So you could do 2 weeks of assignments in 1 week if you'd like. It's self-paced. However, there are due dates each week. So please be aware of what is due and when. As far as extra credit, I do not allow any extra credit work as well. So please do not ask me for any extra credit points. That is not available in this course. Other than that, I think all of you can be successful as long as you stay on top of your assignments and don't miss anything. I think you will all do great in this course. So let's talk about Mindtap and how to get there. So as you'll see, I am in eCourseware, so you will need to log in to eCourseware. There's a little welcome here from me, just kind of also reiterates what I'm telling you right now. But you will scroll up and you will go to Content. Excuse me. You can go to Content. You will see we're on the Getting Started tab here. In the Getting Started tab, you can find your syllabus. Please read over your syllabus. Some of what I said is already in this, but other information that is valuable is in here as well. So read that syllabus. Your due dates are located here, so please take a look at that. Also, watch this Mindtap registration video. That's going to help you in registering for Mindtap if you've never done so. This third link is the most important. This will link you to my direct course. So once you're ready, you click this, and it's not going to take me to where exactly you will be taken because I already have a Cengage Mindtap account. But it will direct you to Cengage and to Mindtap and will allow you to begin getting access in the course. Once you've registered and paid for access, it should take you directly to this page. In here, you will begin in Chapter 1. You open up the activities and you can see all of the activities that you can begin getting started on. These first few are just activities to learn the material. You can read the chapter here and then begin working on your activities. You'll see these first ones do not count towards your grade. They're great to get started and learn the material. Then you will need to complete the ones that say that they count towards a grade. Again, the due dates are listed here as well, but again, they are in your syllabus too. So complete these when you're ready and you feel like you have mastered the material. Go ahead and take these and they will count for your grade. Once you've completed it, you are done with those assignments. It should begin showing up in your grade book. That's just a little bit about how to use Mindtap. There are also more videos that you can find on the Cengage website. It's pretty simple, but of course, if you have any questions on registering for Mindtap or if you have any issues at all, please go ahead and email me with those immediately. I wish you all the best of luck, and I think you will all do great in this course.